Úvygrun, úvyoecusç, and welcome. Absognian language is a constructed language that is focused on word building, simply by using prefixes and suffixes. The main purpose of this language is in communication between characters in a video game project called Absognia. But what exactly is a constructed language? A constructed language, also known as conlang, is a language that a person has created for his own purpose, like creating a language for a video game, for a book, or some TV series. Many people were creating various languages in history, and these languages are typically made when a person invents words and grammar features. But this will be a topic for another video. Absognian language uses a syntax that requires the use of prefixes, main words, and suffixes. It enables words to be written by adding the one-letter prefix, and the main word becomes capitalized to mark the emphasis of the word. So this kind of writing is incorrect. Sometimes double prefixes are written like this because the second prefix requires a clear recognition. There are 7 categories of prefixes, and they will be explained in several videos. The suffixes are used to modify words and their meanings. They can also be used to determine the kind of word. N is the suffix for adjectives. Mu is the final suffix that converts adjective to noun, which makes a combined suffix, aénmo. Ev is the suffix for adverbs. Making a noun or verb out of it requires 2 suffixes, sa and mu, which makes a combined suffix, evsamu. Both suffixes are used in contexts of converting a word into noun. Úsc and ucç prefixes are used to define different contexts. Pay attention to the letter order. Úsc is used for general word context, while ucç is a prefix for activities that last temporary, in just one moment. Absognian language has a 24-letter alphabet. Its pronunciation strongly depends on letter combination or capitalization. Here's the way how to pronounce vowels. Some small vowels a, e, I are pronounced longer, while some small vowels are short, o, u. When the first 3 vowels become capitalized, they become short, a, e, I, abhasu, ihenob, biog. But adding diacritic marks them accented, arsud, viesur, haiog. But vowel I is an exception. It becomes pronounced like English I, if there is a diacritic above.
English I, but we are learning Absognian.
This language has a mascot character named Willy. He is one of the main characters of the game also. These 3 vowels in the small form are usually pronounced shorter, as in the word aénmo. On the other hand, the capitalized form of o and u is typically pronounced longer. Dsoinpu, husrenmu. The accented form o and u is uncommon, but primarily used if there is a prefix before main word. Here are the letter names and their pronunciations. A, B, C, C, D, E, F, G, G, H, I, J, L, M, N, O, P, R, C, Et, U, V, J, Z. These consonants are pronounced in the same way as in English. However, C is pronounced C, except in the double form after U, especially in this suffix, iktuk. This means before T it's pronounced K. The letter Ch is pronounced Ch, like the softer version of Ch. It should be written like this, because CH is a different character, primarily used if C prefix comes before H, before the main word. G is pronounced G, but placing it before these letters will pronounce it like this, K, as in the word knuam kasru. Juote is pronounced like j. It also adds some vowel consonant transition, so it's pronounced like this, j, as in the word jaosanp. Gh, ge, is pronounced like a strong consonant, especially by saying g and h at the same time. For example, the word rorsur is typically used for practicing this voice. And the letter j is very similar in pronunciation like juote, but it is shorter and less articulated. These rules will be part of the upcoming videos. Apsognia is an upcoming game project. It will be part of game learning process, which will enable its players to learn the words and phrases while they are passing various obstacles and challenges. This game will also have a dictionary, so the players will be able to discover hidden meanings of the words or play some trivia games about word building. The release date is unknown, it is still in development. I will also provide paid lessons and commissions for word building. So if you are interested, you can send me a DM on Instagram. There are 4 different packages of language learning services. You can choose between basic language lessons, intermediate lessons, and word building lessons, which are more useful for people who want to build their own words. And the 4th package is the advanced language learning package, which will be used if you want both learning and word building. Like, share and subscribe and start learning the conlang project today. So goodbye and Úvygrun.